Welcome to Mendeley video tutorial. In this video, I, Dr. Suresh Limkar, working as an assistant professor in Computer Engineering Department of AISSMS Institute of Information Technology, Pune, will discuss the necessity of having digital reference manager. Content of the today's video tutorial are limitations of manual reference management, necessity of having a digital reference manager, and why I have selected Mendeley as a digital reference manager tool. Let's begin with limitations of manual reference management. Most of the students, researchers, faculties are still prefer manual methods for organizing their references. Most of the literature server is not found at one place or folder, rather than it is scattered in a computer. While typing citations manually, we need to maintain or preserve the order of citation. Manual typing citation leads to wastage of time and it leads to many errors too. Each journal demands its own type of citation and bibliographic style. There are n number of variations in text citation and bibliographic styles available. Let us focus on what does it mean by in-text citation and bibliography. First, we'll go with in-text citation. It is nothing but the way we cite the references in the main text of a research article. There are various ways through which we can have in-text citation. But here in this slide, I have listed out most prominently used in-text citation methods. First one is square bracket. Second one is round bracket. Third one is superscripted. And the last but not least is the author date format. Whereas bibliography is nothing but listing out all the references at the end of the article. There are various ways through which we can list out the bibliography. First one, listing all the names of authors followed by etl dot. Etl dot is a French word which means it's etc. and all. Second method is list first three names of authors followed by etl. Last one but not least, listing only name of first author, etc. and all. Now we'll move for the necessity of digital reference manager. Having a digital reference manager will improve the efficiency. That means it saves time and no need to remember the order of citation. It also helps to avoid errors that generally happens in manual citation. It will help to easily search, store and retrieve the citations. It also helps easily change the citation and bibliography style on a click of a button. There are n number of available tools for reference manager. I have noted out few of them on this slide. Mendeley, EndNote, EasyBib, Zotero, RefWork, JabRef, etc. Out of these tools, I have selected Mendeley as a digital reference manager for this video tutorial course. There are reasons why I have selected Mendeley. All the reasons are listed out on this slide. First most important is it's a open source. That means free to use and free to distribute. It is user friendly, platform independent. That means it can run on Windows operating system, Linux operating system, Mac operating system, and even mobile too. Supports all major browsers, that is IE, Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari, etc. It also available on Android and iPhone too. It is available in two modes. First one is offline mode and second one is online mode. Offline mode consists of Mendeley desktop version, whereas online mode consists of Mendeley web and Mendeley mobile versions. Online mode offers online storage of all the references. That means it is the repository of all the references. It provides seamless synchronization of the content across all the versions, that is Mendeley desktop, Mendeley web, Mendeley mobile. It is having the repository of largest publication database. It also provides thousands of in-text citations and reference styles. Summary: in this video tutorial, we have learned the limitations of manual reference management, types of in-text citations and bibliography, necessity of digital reference manager, available tools for digital reference manager, and lastly, I have covered why we have selected Mendeley as a digital reference manager for this video tutorial. For preparing this video tutorial, I have used the following references. Thank you.